A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope all of you are fine at your homes. So be safe and be precautious from coronavirus. So here in this video, I am going to start a new poem, Wind, which is from your book Beehive. Let's start with the introduction of this poem. We all know that wind is a natural phenomenon. In this poem, the poet talks to the wind. The power of wind has been described and elaborated, and the poet says that wind is destructive. He has linked the destructive power of wind to the adversities of life, the problems of life, and says that the weak people break down, but stronger people emerged out of adversities and became more stronger. The poem gives an important message that we should be mentally tough and physically strong in order to survive the hardships of life. A weak person breaks down like a weak building and crumbles, means destructed. We must make these destructive forces our friends with our strength and determination. Only then we would be able to cope up with the problems, with the hurdles of our life. Let's move on to the summary of the poem. The first part of the poem describes the action of the wind. The poet asks the wind to come softly in a very polite manner. He requests the wind not to break the shutters of the windows, not to scatter the papers and throw down the books from the shelf. But the wind is not going to listen anyone. It throws down the books and tears the pages. The poet says that the wind makes a mockery of weaklings. It brings down frail houses, crumbling doors, rafters, and even weak hearts. It crushes everything that is weak. Means here wind is taking the advantage of each and everything which is weak, whether it is a thing or a person. The poet advises us to be strong. Only then we would be able to save ourselves from the wind. We should build strong homes with firm doors. Our bodies and hearts should also be strong. It is the way of the world to kick the weak and to be friends with the strong. The wind blows out the weak fires, but make the strong fires roar and flourish here. Thus, the poem conveys the idea that nobody cares for the weak. Even the wind is on the side of the strong people. Means, if you are weak, the wind and nobody is going to be on your side. People are not going to support you. You have to be stronger to get the support of the people, even. We must make ourselves strong to become successful and overcome the challenges in life. If you are going to be weaker, you are going to be having less strength, then nobody is going to support you. Nobody is going to stand with you. You have to gain enough strength. You have to become that much stronger so that people will also come and support you and be ready to stand with you. That is the poem all about, and here by the wind, the poet is actually symbolizing wind with the adversities and hurdles of our life and telling us, giving us the message that to face the hurdles, to solve the queries, to solve the problems of our lives, we have to be stronger enough, right? We have to make ourselves more strengthful and we have to have the courage to face the challenges in life. That is the poem all about. I hope all of you have understood the overall view of the poem. Rest of the explanation and detailed explanation we will do in our online class. Thank you for now. Have a nice day.